Hi friends, I am Dipankar. Welcome to my channel Learning Point. In this class, you will learn how to use find and replace function in MS Word. So without any further delay, we are going to set out the class number 4. We will know the uses of find and replace function in MS Word. Here, for example, I have taken text to find a particular word in this text. To do this, we use shortcut key on the keyboard. It is Ctrl+F. You can see in navigation pane the search option is open. Here I am typing a particular word. Let's suppose TO2 and hit enter. Here you can see the words which I have typed here are all highlighted with yellow color. You can see. If you want to find one by one instead of highlight all at a time, you have to go to home, then go to find. Here is find. Click on drop down key of find, then click on advanced find. Here in find what box, just type the word you want to find in the text. Here I am typing TO2 and click on find next, and you will see the word comes one by one, not all the word at the same time. You can see it. Click on more tab and see there are so many functions. You have to try it yourself when practicing. Also here you can highlight all that word at a time. Just type word here and click on reading highlight, then click on highlight all. Here you can see all the word I have typed here are highlighted with yellow color. To clear highlighted text, just click on reading highlight, then click on clear highlighting. See here, all highlighted words have gone. These are the functions of find option in MS Word. In this segment, we will learn how to use replace option in MS Word. Here, for example, I have taken a text here. We use these functions when we want to replace a existing word with a new word. For example, here we have to find TO2 word and replace it with in. Actually, we are going to convert to into in word. To do this, just press Ctrl+H on keyboard. Click on a replace tab, then type in find word box the word you want to replace. Here I am typing here TO2 and place cursor in replace with box. Here in replace with box, type new word which we want in place of to. Here I am taking in. Then if you click on replace all, it results all the true word will be replaced with in at a time. But if we want to replace one by one by checking, then click on find next and check the word whether you want to replace it or not. If you want to replace it with in, then click on replace, otherwise click on find next. Also, this option find and replace option is used in the case of if we want to delete a particular word in the text, then we use replace functions. But in that case, we only type the existing word in find word box. Here for example I am taking TO2. Here actually I want to delete the two word in the whole text, and in replace with box don't type any text, leave it blank, and then click on replace all. You can see here the result. The message denotes that all done. We made 14 replacements. It means that all the two word has been deleted from this text. But if we want to replace a particular word with new one, we can only use Ctrl H, then find word. Here I am taking a word, it is ant, and replace with this symbol. This is ant, and if we click on replace all, the result shows that we made 9 replacement. See here the result. All ant gone and the symbol comes. Here all ant has gone and symbol has come. Here you can see. If you want to revert the operation, I mean I want get back that ant in place of this ant, then type here ant in find word box, and in replace with box just type ant, because we want this in place of this. Then click on replace all. Here you can see the result. All ant ant has come back. Check here. Check by click Ctrl plus F and type here ant. You can see the result. All ant has come back. So by these functions you can do lot more in MS Word. Okay, this was today's class. Stay tuned to this channel and please like, share and subscribe this channel to get every notifications. Thank you.